Good afternoon. It is still Thanksgiving. I was not planning on making this video, but we have nothing to do at work today. On first shift, we only had 2 planes to take care of, and by the time I got here, both planes were already taken care of and out of here. So we've got nothing to do for the rest of the day on first shift. So when I grabbed all the stuff from the hangar this morning on my way in, I grabbed the landing gear gearbox, and I've got it down here. I'm going to disassemble it, clean it, re-grease it, do all that kind of stuff. I don't have my GoPro with me today. I do know I found out that I can do a time lapse on using my phone camera, but I'm not sure how to set it up, how I'm going to hold the camera or anything like that, and I kind of need 2 hands to do all this stuff with. So either I'm going to find a way to set it up, or it's going to be a bunch of, I'm just going to do some stills and I'll just put them in the video and put some music behind it, so that way it's not so boring. So that's where we're at right now, and yeah, I'm going to get to it. Here we go. Alright, I'm an idiot. I put it back together wrong. I was going from memory. I didn't have a chart in front of me, so I stopped. I got what I thought was together, which I was wrong, and I looked up a graphic of it, and I see how to put it together. So let's fix that. Alright, everything's done. It's actually installed correctly this time, or put together correctly this time, so I'm happy with that. All the gears and everything spin a lot better now. I was having, ended up having problems was right here. That block was binding up, and I'm assuming there was some dirty grease and stuff in there. I'm imagining this hasn't been taken apart since it was originally put together back in 1986. So but yeah, once I sprayed that with brake clean, and I didn't even have to re-grease it, it was spinning a lot better. So the brake clean itself cleaned enough of it out to make it spin a lot better. But obviously it's been greased the best I can. I greased down here, I greased the end of I actually greased the shaft before I put it all in there. Grease the gears, both of them. Bushing up here's been greased. The bushing on the other side's been greased, and it spins really freely right now. It feels really good, so I'm really happy with that. So I pulled that out because I thought that the electric nose gear would replace everything, which it doesn't. The electric nose gear hooks to that gearbox and drives that, which, really smart idea. Probably cheaper in the long run too, because then they don't have to make their own gearbox. So I do have a nose gear on order now. It should be here in the next couple of days. So once I get that in, we're going to reinstall that one. We'll put the electric nose gear in. I've got a 12-volt battery up there so I can test everything, make sure it all works. And that will be a video in itself. So we're done here for today. I wasn't expecting to make this, but we ended up having so little stuff to do at work today that I had plenty of time to go and get this done. So I've got a box and a bag. I'm going to bag that back up, put it in the box so I can put it in my car nice and clean and not make a mess out of my car. And I'm going to go sit in the line room and do nothing. We've had 2 planes this morning. They were done by the time I got here. And we've got 2 more planes on the second shift. That's it. So we're clean, done, good to go. And yeah, until next video, see ya.